Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to unblock a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. We will first of all block the number we've got saved. So let's find the contact you'd like to block, and here all we have to do is to scroll down to find contact settings. Let's tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from the numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam and simply tap on block. As you can see, we've got the option unblock numbers, which means that we just successfully blocked it. We've got also those characteristic icons. As I said, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it blocked. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist, it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here, let's find the blocked numbers in the general. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got our blacklist with the numbers blocked. We can also add a number here. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, you can manually enter it and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. We can also block the calls from unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher at the top. You can turn it off the same way. And if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.